Today we are installing a Linux screen for BMW F30. Here are the pictures before and after the installation. Pry out the air conditioning trim panel with the rocker. Take out the connecting plug on the back of the air conditioning trim panel, and then place the air conditioning trim panel to one side. Remove the fixing screws of the original display screen. Press the LVDS plug button on the back of the original display screen. Then take out the LVDS cable plug, and then place the original display screen. Remove the fixing screws of the host panel. Take out the connecting plug on the back of the host panel, and then place the host panel of the original vehicle. Remove the fixing screws of the original host. Pull the original host outward. Take out the original host. Then hold the ESO plug buckle of the main engine and pull it backward to take out the ESO plug of the host. If your vehicle is equipped with an optical fiber cable, move it to the ESO wiring harness. If your vehicle is not equipped with an optical fiber cable, skip this step. Connect the ESO plug from the stock main unit to the male connector of the Linux ESO harness. Connect the Linux ESO cable female connector to the back of the original main unit. Insert the plug and press the clips to make the installation secure. Place the Linux ESO harness inside the dash and thread the plug end onto the base of the display. Thread the USB harness plug to the base of the display and lay the female end of the USB connection cable into the passenger compartment. the LVDS extension cable to the stock LVDS. Attach the base and lock the screws. Install the original host back to its original position. Confirm that it is installed in place, and then lock and fix the original host. Restore the connection plug on the back of the host panel, and then install it back in place. Connect the plugs of the Linux ESO harness and USB harness to the back of the Linux device, and connect the stock LVDS male connector to the back connector of the Linux device. Secure the Linux screen to the base. Restore the connection plug on the back of the air conditioning trim panel, and then install it back to its original position. Ignition start the car power on to check whether the Linux device can be turned on normally. Check whether the functions are normal.